Hi, my name is Ashley Allen, and welcome to my Weebly. I am a software integrator and planner at NASA, and this is my 6th class in this Learning Technology and Design Master's program. I'm going to talk about my authentic assessment pieces for LTDE 5320. We had 5 big projects this semester. This first piece is a collaborative digital storytelling project. This assignment allowed me to examine various multimedia structures with my group, determining the most effective instructional design goals. It also allowed me to design a collaborative digital storytelling multimedia project, and together we all achieved design goals with use of an effective tool. I enjoyed this group project, and now will be able to create effective videos by first creating an organized script to clearly convey information, then tie in multimedia tools such as music, clip, art, videos, etc. to help keep the viewers engaged. Next is the student-centered multimedia tool tutorial, which I chose Simple Show. With this video tutorial, I evaluated the appropriate use of multimedia tools in facilitating student-centered instructional endeavors. I also enjoyed researching and learning about effective and interactive tools that can help make the classroom engaging and fun. I plan to use Simple Show Video Maker in my career to design tutorial videos on how to use our training management system. Next is the infographic design. I designed an infographic based on the learned and applied principles of effective design, which led to the completion of an authentic assessment piece regarding applying these principles effectively. I will take the knowledge gained from this assignment, zoom in a little bit, into my profession by referring to these design principles to create appealing and purposeful designs. Next would be the multimedia research summary analysis. This research paper allowed me to examine various multimedia structures and determine effective instructional design goals, as well as evaluate the appropriate use of multimedia tools in facilitating student-centered instructional endeavors. I analyzed how multimedia benefits the classroom and the many positive effects that are gained by its use. I will take my knowledge gained and incorporate multimedia into my instruction to set up my students for success. And lastly is the student-centered unit of learning, applying the LTDE model. For this lesson, I created a student-centered unit of learning by applying the LTDE model and effective applications of multimedia instruction. I will now be able to successfully create beneficial projects based on this detailed, in-depth model and unit plan. This was the last major assignment for this class, and I felt that it has well prepared me to create unit plans in a nice organized fashion and be able to create appropriate self-evaluation, peer evaluations, and create rubrics accordingly and tied into my project goals. That is it for this semester. I have enjoyed it very much, and I appreciate you taking time to watch my Weebly video. Thank you.